哎，我听下去。好。Good morning. My friend, stop side wrong side. So secure gangway, huh? Okay. Okay, thank you. Good morning. Good morning, Kevin. How are you? Okay. 355. Okay. 全州教官23号饮水。教官你好，饮水上大西洋玫瑰，准备靠中华4号驳回程报告。好，谢谢。Okay, slow ahead.
Slow. So I can the crew standby?
Huh?
I crew standby or no?
Crew standby. Yeah, you can stand by and make fast tabu on port bow and port quarter. Okay. Okay, the berthing arrangement is 322.
822.
Yeah, first line spring line.
Okay.
All my heaving line.
Okay, start everything like it.
Yeah, okay.
My maximum blast is 7.3.
How much?
7.3.
7.3. Yeah. Okay.
Single screw engine, right hand propeller, regular stern, no cap start.
Okay. Do you have mouse thruster?
No boost.
No mouse thruster. Okay.
Everything good working order.
Okay.
This, any traffic coming out? Or
No.
no.
No. 剑桥116，剑桥116，进口外轮架。对的，对的，所以我们过滤灯嘛，哦。好，谢谢。How much? 326来。OK。My friend, sound one plus, one plus, whistle, one plus, whistle. One more time. Start engine, start engine, start engine. If not steering, please let me know. If not steering, okay. Hard to pull. Okay. 好，511 6点钟。
This from main should be okay, I think.
Yeah, I think it's okay. After we are on site, we check. Okay. Midship. Okay. Steady. .513立起来做顶了，准备。
513立起来。
511靠近来也做顶了，准备。
4号驳一下。
4号驳尾啊，我们带322，是，它都是尼龙缆啊。Days lost then. Days lost then. OK。511到位了吗
511到位了。
好的。513位数顶。
513位数。
Start engine。511做个短缆推出去，做好准备。
好的，收到。
513停顶也做个短缆推出去。
513收到。
513这样就可以了，这样就可以了，不用再退了。
513到位。
好的。513引缆绳保持松弛，然后随时可拉哦。
好的，好的。
Days lost then。对，513就这种状态，缆绳不要太紧，不要太紧，不然它就进不去的。
好的。向后8米哦。
好的，513带力拉。
513带力拉。
511微速拉。
511微速拉。
513停拉。
513停。
Okay, check position.
拿位置好了。
好的，位置in position in position。
Okay, open up.
前座到了是小点的。
好的，好的。全州交管23号饮水。好，教官你好，大西洋玫瑰现在靠好中华4号驳回程报告。好，谢谢。 511解完也可以离开，谢谢啊。Oh, Kevin, I go down first. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Bye. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, no, from your side. Yeah, thank you. 可以啊，可以这样放下就可以了。
How to communicate with them?
啊
I don't even understand how to communicate with them.
Yeah, of course they cannot speak English. What's my body language?
Okay.
好了好了，OK，Thank you，bye。
Thank you, sir.